Hi, I'm Olivia, and I've been a makeup artist for over 20 years. I'm one of the key artists here at Authentic Beauty Makeup Salon and Brow Studio in Atlanta, where we are committed to teaching women how to create beautiful makeup and have their image be a reflection of their authentic selves. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a 10-minute makeup look to make you stand out in front of the camera. Here are the products and tools you will need to create this look. The Magic 3-in-1 foundation in the shade Medium Beige, the Mineral Pressed Powdered Foundation in the shade Clear Shine, the cheek color in the shade Venus, cheek color in the shade Shy, the Mineral Pressed Powdered Foundation in Cream, and the eyeshadow color in Cocoa, the Gel Eyeliner Pencil in Noir, the Precision Brow Pencil in Deep Brunette, XL Mascara, and Get Lippy Sheer Lip Gloss. Here are the tools you'll need: the Metallic Complexion Brush, the Pro Buffer Brush, Balm 141 Flat Top Brush, Balm 430 Crease Brush, Balm 460 Eyeshadow Brush, the Chisel Tapered Fluff Brush, and the Chisel Blush Brush. First, I'm going to take my Metallic Complexion Brush and my Magic 3-in-1 foundation in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm going to work my brush in the product and then on my hand to make sure that the product is evenly distributed into the bristles. This will ensure an even application when I apply it to my face. Now I'm going to start in the center of my face and then blend outward towards my hairline. And I'm going to make sure I get under my eyes and my eyelids. You always want to make sure that you are pulling your foundation down onto your neck, especially when in the camera. The light will reflect differently off of makeup than it will off of bare skin. So if there isn't any makeup there, you will definitely see a difference in the color and texture of your skin. Now I'm going to take the Mineral Pressed Powdered Foundation in the color Clear Shine and the Balm 141 brush, and I'm going to set the Magic 3-in-1 foundation. You just want to apply this all over your face and neck, and it's going to get rid of any shine and prevent any creasing. Now I'm going to take the Balm 460 Angled Eyeshadow Brush and the Mineral Pressed Powdered Foundation in the color Cream, and I'm going to apply that on my eyelid from my lash to my crease. This is a wonderful base color that really brightens the eye. Now with the Chisel Tapered Fluff Brush and my eyeshadow in the shade Cocoa, I'm going to apply this to my crease. This is going to give you some depth back into your eyelid. You'll notice I always am starting on the outer part of my eyelid and working towards the center. Then with the Balm 430 brush, it's a large crease brush, I'm going to take this and in circular motions back and forth, I'm going to smoke out that color Cocoa. This is going to get rid of any of the harsh lines. This brush I did not put any color on. I'm using it as my clean blending brush. Now I'm going to take the Pro Buffer brush and the cheek color in the shade Venus, the lovely peachy bronze shade. You want to apply this where you would typically apply your bronzer. You just kind of want to think of where the sun would hit you. Your cheeks, top of your forehead, along my jawline. Now I'm going to take my Chisel Blush brush and my cheek color in the shade Shy, and I'm going to apply this just to my apples. And just lightly dust on your apples up towards your hairline. Now with the gel eyeliner in the shade Noir, which is black, I'm going to tightline my eyes. Tightlining is also called invisible eyeliner, and it's where you line the waterline on the upper lash. It's a very easy thing to do, and it really gives you a big impact. Makes your eyelashes look much fuller. Now I'm going to take my eyelash curler and curl my eyelashes and apply the XL mascara. Shaking your wand back and forth will really ensure that you are getting to the base of your lashes. And then use the tip of the wand and just get a little bit onto the bottom lashes. With the Precision Brow Defining Pencil in Deep Brunette, I'm going to define my eyebrows. I'm going to start in the middle of my brow, working my way towards the end with a very light touch, going with the direction of the hair. You don't want to draw solid lines. Use little light sweeping motions. And then you can go back with your spoolie and brush through them. I'm going to finish off my look today with the Get Lippy Sheer Lip Gloss. It is high shine and not sticky at all. All of our lip glosses are non-toxic, infused with green tea and vitamin E. I also offer a service of custom blending of lip glosses and lipsticks if you're having trouble finding that perfect shade. Please feel free to email me with any questions or for product recommendations at authenticbeautyolivia@gmail.com. Here's a little pro tip. So it's much easier to go in and add more color to your makeup versus having to go and blend out or wash off the makeup because the application was a little bit too heavy. So always keep that in mind when you're applying your makeup. There you have it. I'm camera ready in 10 minutes or less for my next Zoom, Skype, or live Facebook session. I want to thank you for joining me for this makeup tutorial today. All of the products and tools can be found in our online makeup store at authenticbeautycosmetics.com. Don't forget to join me next Tuesday at 2 for my next tutorial on how to make your eyes pop. I will be explaining complementary color and how to make your eyes stand out.